Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Acura Integra. Let's start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a large rectangle to represent the car's main body. Then, divide this into 3 sections for the hood, cabin, and trunk, ensuring balanced proportions. Lightly draw a horizontal line through the middle and a vertical line down the center to help maintain symmetry throughout your drawing. These initial guides are crucial for a well-proportioned final piece. Now let's refine the body silhouette. Carefully outline the Integra's characteristic sloped roofline and its sharp, defining character lines along the sides. Next, sketch 2 perfect circles for the front and rear wheel wells, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Don't forget to add the distinctive front grille, often a trapezoidal shape, and the sleek, narrow headlight designs that give the Integra its recognizable face. These details bring your sketch to life. Moving on to the finer points, let's add the smaller yet important details. Precisely draw the side mirrors, the subtle door handles, and the circular fuel cap on the rear quarter panel. Next, carefully outline all the windows, including the large windshield, the side windows, and the rear window, ensuring their angles match the car's flow. Finally, sketch the distinctive rear taillights and the iconic Acura emblem, typically a stylized A, on the trunk lid. For the final touches, it's time to clean up and add depth. Gently erase all the initial guidelines you drew in the first 2 steps, leaving only your refined Integra sketch. Then, begin applying light shading to create shadows and highlights, giving your drawing a 3-dimensional appearance and emphasizing its contours. Finally, add subtle reflections on the windows and the car's body to enhance realism, making your Acura Integra drawing truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.